what's going on, everybody? Today we will be doing an unboxing of the Wyze Cam floodlight for you all. Something that we picked up today. We were at Home Depot and decided to go ahead and purchase the floodlight cam. We've been looking at this for quite some time now, and we finally decided to go ahead and purchase it so that we can test it out and install it in our backyard. This is Wyze's first floodlight camera, and we will go ahead and be unboxing this today, but I just wanted to let everybody know, show everybody what this looks like, what the box looks like. This is what you get from the outside. Here are a couple of the specs that we're gonna see, but we are gonna go ahead and open this up for you all so that you can see what is inside the box. Our setup is gonna be slightly different because we don't have a pre-existing junction box in our backyard. We need to figure out a way to wire this device and plug it into power, because the way this flood cam works is that it wires into your existing lamp or outdoor light, whatever you have in your backyard, wherever you're installing this, but we don't have that. So we need to figure out a way, and to do so, we bought a few things here from Home Depot while we were there, and essentially we'll be using these things here to mount our floodlight cam to our power system. So basically this is just a plastic junction box. We've got a 15-foot extension cord here. We've got a rubber gasket here and some waterproof wire nuts here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, and then we will see exactly what is inside the box here. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing here.
Let's go ahead and open this.
All right, let's open this up. You get your quick start guide here.
There's your instructions there.
Ooh, and there it is. There's the flood cam itself.
This is the floodlight cam.
Here. That's what it looks like. Remove before use. And so as you can see in the back, it is wired. Kind of turns in this way or that way. We got one more little accessory here, which is basically, likely it's going to be our mounting hardware.
One right there.
Alright, so here's a closer look of the floodlight camera. The lights could be rotated and adjusted up and down to the direction of your liking. And the PIR sensor and the camera can be rotated. You can also swivel that left and right for the camera itself. There's the speaker used for the siren or the two-way audio. PIR sensor in the bottom. Have your wiring in the back. And underneath the camera, you will find the connector that connects to the V3 camera and a USB Type A port, which can be used to daisy chain a secondary Wyze Cam V3. Now that we've unboxed the camera and I've showed you what this looks like, let's go ahead and start getting ready to install this. You're going to need your extension cable. Let's go ahead and cut the end off. Strip the wires. I went ahead and installed the floodlight metal bracket. You'll then want to drill a hole big enough to fit the cable right through. Remember, this is going to be outside, so you want to make this as weatherproof as possible. One thing you can do is attach a zip tie to prevent the cable from tugging down. And the last thing I did was to secure the green ground cable to the ground screw from the Wyze metal bracket. So after you've mounted your round junction box into your wall, you're going to use the S-shaped hook to hang your floodlight cam from the metal bracket to one of the lamps. Using the wire nuts, go ahead and connect the black cable from the extension cord to the black cable from the Wyze cam. Do the same thing for the white cable. Give them a good tug, make sure that they are secure, nice and tight. Tuck everything back into the round junction box. Now use the center screw to tighten and secure the floodlight cam to the round junction box. So that's what it looks like. I still need to manage the cable and secure the cable down. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. You will then need to go back up to the camera and press the setup button found underneath the V3 camera. So at this point, you're going to want to go to your Wyze app and add a new device. Follow the instructions,
QR code
scan the
Please
QR
wait.
code,
Setup completed.
and you will hear the notification once it's complete. I am very happy with this device. The only downside, as many people have pointed out, is the whiteout of the face whenever getting close to the Wyze cam at night. As you can see here, I am about 5 feet away from the camera itself and you cannot see my face at all. But if I step away 15 to 20 feet, you can get a much better picture of my face. This wasn't a deal breaker for me as I already knew that this was somewhat of an issue, but I am hoping that Wyze releases some kind of update in the future to come up with a solution for this. So there you have it. This is the end result. Camera has been mounted, tested it, works great, very bright lights. I went ahead and used the 3M cable clips to organize my cable, but you can use the screw-on or the nail clips. It's up to you. If you have found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.